look at Greek maps from the 4th century BCE, we do know that there was a Palestine. We acknowledge Philistines, like the Canaanite tribes which are mentioned inside the biblical codex. We even note that Herodotus himself mentions a district of Syria in his work of the Histories, which was actually published around the 5th century BCE. And he actually remarks that between Phoenicia and Egypt, there is a land known as Palestine. So these facts are historically there, but if Palestine is acknowledged as early as the 5th century BCE, is there any acknowledgement of an Israel existing inside Palestine? To actually look at the facts, what we have now is a conflict in that we're not actually going to be looking at facts. We have to bring now the biblical codex. Because the biblical codex, what we know as Bible or the Tanakh or the Pentateuch or the Torah or the circulation of manuscripts, which were selected out of, so many other manuscripts and Canaanite mythologies and works that would have been in cuneiform Paleo-Hebrew, but instead now have been rendered in a Masoretic text Hebrew form after a Greek creation of a Septuagint text. Those who actually have studied theology will be following this. The rest of you need to catch up, and that's why we're doing this explanation. You start to look into the deeper context of the fact that Israel is not consistently on maps outside of Judeo-Christian tradition. There is Judea and Jerusalem on maps alleged to date